going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. Please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works.
Much love
to those who purchased the Three Kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, much love to those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon. Much love. Keep it coming. And remember, the New World Order cryptos are in my Patreon. Plus, I keep you up to date with the New World Order events. And that is so important because as we can see right now, we have the first quarter main event. And we know they're going to ride this towards the end of the year. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And the market is slightly up, guys. We know we have futures today. But this weekend, I do see a decent weekend. But we know we have to pay attention to the repo and, of course, Grayscale. And I probably would do a Bitcoin Miami video today just to sum up the actual conference. And around this conference, guys, we got really, really big news. A lot of items that are going to push adoption. But guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates, we have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. And then, of course, guys, we have the Fed. Make sure you're paying attention to the actual Fed repo. And then also, guys, we have Grayscale. Grayscale moved down just slightly, about 200 million. But let's get over to the crypto news. We have Lightning Network is going to be integrated in Shopify. And guys, what did I tell you from the very beginning about the Lightning Network? I'm letting you guys know beforehand. Just pay attention. That protocol is a global network. Also, we have Terra buys 200 million and Avalanche for reserves. And guys, we know that stable coins are definitely the foundation of crypto. But we're also seeing hedging also going on because everybody knows we're about to go inside of this bear market. Now we have Samson, of course, used to be in charge of Blockstream, is off of Blockstream. Now his new company, January 3, is helping build the Bitcoin city in El Salvador. And to me, everything in El Salvador is just a big distraction. Now we have Kraken shuts down its global headquarters as San Francisco is not a safe place. And we know California has always been the testing ground for the New World Order. And all that is starting to change. But we know this is nothing but the Hegelian dialectic. Now we have Robinhood rolls out wallets to 2 million that were on the wait list, and then also plans to integrate Lightning Network. And guys, we know that is going to push adoption. Now we have Polygon releases testnet plans for a new scalability focused on blockchain called Avail. Now we have Frax Finance may buy large amounts of major crypto to back its stablecoin. And lastly, we have Kathy Woods confirms the 1 million Bitcoin again. And guys, we know the only way that Bitcoin is going to hit $1 million is what? If it's attached to the robots, algorithms, and drones, and we know that is going to happen. Why? Because we know when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher Stock Channel, Cryptoteacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, get home stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Drama Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Drama Tam save New York from COVID Stories 3. Part 3. King Joshua and Drama Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.